Hi, if we've never met, my name is Grace and I'm a mom of 2 little cutie pies. I'm currently on a journey to lower my A1C after 2 rounds of gestational diabetes that then led to prediabetes, which made me realize that moms, as hard as we may try, are really bad at prioritizing ourselves. So join me this week as I commit to waking up before my kids to get my cup filled first, aka running outside in negative degrees, because I think it might really do some magic. It's currently Sunday night and I'm getting ready to prep my breakfast for the week.
Because a successful week of wellness and health starts on Sunday night.
And I'm of course thinking of making my chia seeds, but this week I'm thinking of turning it into like a little treat and using coconut milk and a Thai tea based chia seed pudding. Let's go make these. So orange. Is anything coming out? Oh.
It's like sludgy.
Okay, I was gonna get into my pajamas and get ready for bed, but then I saw a notification that my Fitbit watch band came. And that was what I told myself that I would start running was when my band came. Oh my gosh. I got like a pink one that will motivate me to wear it. Oh my gosh. Wow, nice packaging. I just hope that it fits my wrist because I have like really tiny wrists for some reason. So cute. It goes this way. Oh my gosh. You guys. We're gonna take it on a run tomorrow morning. So the 4th one, there we go. Oh, it's perfect. It is the perfect size for me, y'all. It's so cute. All right, now let's go to bed. Cheers! Oh my gosh, let's dig in.
Nani?
That is a freaking dessert.
Wow.
Just made it to Costco because we are out of eggs, which apparently everywhere else also is out of eggs.
We will get it.
Papá de Nadia. Okay, I'm planning on making some pad thai, but I'm thinking without the noodles to make it low carb, and I'm gonna sub it with some enoki mushrooms. The most interesting thing about this recipe that I've been practicing is that instead of tamarind, you can sub it with rice vinegar. So it brings out that tartness that we're used to, but you don't have to go looking for tamarind, because I feel like those are so hard to find. The enoki mushrooms are like chewy-ish and pops in your mouth. It goes so well with the sauce. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It just started snowing. What in the world? That's the second time this year already, and it's only January. I am just thinking about how I'm gonna get to run tomorrow morning. That's literally my first train of thought. Is like, oh my gosh, I might actually freeze my butt off if I try to run tomorrow morning.
I think it's not Manjo. What's not?
Hello. Nachi? I'm starting to notice that if I want to keep doing this, I think I need to invest into some better gears, because today, whatever thermal wear I was wearing kept riding up. I don't think it's designed for excess movement or maybe just like rigorous workouts, because I had a ring around my belly even with this sweatshirt on. It's like frostbitten because it kept riding up, and so that little section was just like open to air right where your sweatshirts will like kind of go up and down when you're running. So my belly's cold. If you have any recommendations for good thermal wear for active workouts, please leave it out in the comments, because I need to get some. Eh?
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
我想起来，
姐姐醒来了，你有冷吗？会不会冷？
crunchy. I can hear it crunchy. Mom, when you are a kid.
壁虎。
No, I saw 一个壁虎在家。
Thank you so much. We've made it to Friday. Good job. Good job. Let's go running. It's honestly not even cold. Or that's what we're gonna tell ourselves. 22 degrees? That's nothing. It is time for food. But first, I've got something to unbox. It's from matcha.com. So I'm guessing it's matcha. And here it is, a little instruction on how to drink matcha and all the benefits. It's so big. Wow. It's so big. What a chunky little baby. Oops. Ooh. It's frothing right away. But I feel like I didn't put enough matcha. Mmm. Come on.
哎，他不给吃那个气。